美国总统 Trump 宣布因后修对顶关系，这段时间是以10派标准来扣税。不过面对中国报复提高美国的关税，所以讲 Trump 嘛继续出招，就把这中国的关税搁有关升到125%。这波是连美国的贸易代表都讲，伊是事后才知影的。
就伫美国总统川普初日宣布，对于个别国家征收11%至50%的对顶关税，也甲拢扣10%的进口货品关税了后，车到各讲暂停。川普表示，已经授权对真济国暂停实施这项措施90天，这个期间敢若实施10%的对顶关税。
For a period of time, I wouldn't say this morning. Over the last few days, I've been thinking about it. I've been dealing with Scott, with Howard, with some other people that are very professional, and I think it probably came together early this morning, fairly early this morning. Just wrote it up.
虽然川普表示关税政策大转弯是看到市场有淡薄仔反应伤济，同时也必须保持政策会当调整。不过为了报复中国，针对美国对顶关税所做的报复措施，川普也把对中国征收的关税为100%控制，提高到125%。美国媒体 CNN 引述知影消息的人士讲法，因为美国财政部、内部是烦恼，美国政府经济市场出现困境的迹象，唔知促使川普宣布暂停。财政部长贝森特讲，减慢关税是川普成功谈判策略的一部分。
And we saw the successful negotiating strategy that President Trump implemented a week ago today. It has brought more than 75 countries forward to negotiate. It took great courage for him to stay the course until this moment.
民众对这样代志反应无同，有人批评川普想要趁机会变独裁者，也有人认为征收关税只是予美国伫全世界各地的好意得到公平的回报。川普政策大转弯，美国股市大起，将场4大指数拢总起。分析师评估，股市起价是因为无确定性的烦恼得到解决。
When we have maximum tariff pressure for a maximum period of time, the range of outcomes on individual businesses as well as consumers starts to become less certain. That uncertainty creates the wall of worry. We got a little bit of that today with a 90-day pause in tariffs.
不过 CNN 嘛提醒，市场波动是双向的，在真无确定的时阵，股票大部分会暂时反弹，可能叫做死鸟反弹，尾也就会出现嫌大声吼。减慢关税的消息一日出来，就连川普政府高层嘛反应袂赴。美国贸易代表格里尔表示，伊家己是伫消息公布了后才知影这个决定。公司新闻郑伟仁编译。